The Roborock S7 Max V Ultra stands with the Ecovacs Dbot X1 Omni as one of the best progressive floor cleaning robots presently on demand. Like Ecovac's rival, this high-end hybrid can do it all. It sweeps and mops your floors, then scours itself, so it's constantly prepared for the successive run without needing you to lift a finger. Even pleasingly, it undercuts the X1 Omni by roughly $150. Most 2-in-1 robots with a rug detector, including the X1 Omni, automatically bypass rugs when tidying to avoid damping them.